Hi there, it's Steve with Guelph Solar, and we're just watering these flooded lead-acid batteries. We've got a pump system and all the tubing that brings the water around. So the process is you keep pumping until you can actually feel the water stopping going in. In each one of these battery cells, there's a float, and when the level gets full, the float moves up and shuts off and stops the water flow. You can see actually down inside the hole. I'm not sure if you can have good enough light there, but let's see. What you want is the water level to be up to the bottom of the plastic ring there, but you don't want to overfill it, and you don't want to fill your system before you equalize. You want your batteries to be charged when you're filling, otherwise you can have your bubbles form and drive the acid level up inside your cells. Steve with Guelph Solar.